Welcome to ATOMIC ECOM, your trusted Shopify guide. If you're looking to stay ahead in the e-commerce game, today's video is for you. Shopify has just partnered with Google Cloud, and together they're on a mission to transform how we shop online. Stick around to see how this groundbreaking collaboration will revolutionize customer experience and why it's a big deal for your business. Let's jump in. When you think of e-commerce, Shopify is a global leader. And when it comes to cloud computing and data analytics, Google Cloud is at the forefront of innovation. So, what happens when these two powerhouses unite? You get an unstoppable force that's about to change the future of online business forever. Let's talk customer experience. Whether you're running a small shop or a large-scale operation, your customers expect speed, personalization, and convenience. Shopify and Google Cloud are making it easier for merchants to deliver exactly that. From faster page load times to ultra-personalized shopping journeys, the customer experience is getting a major upgrade. Google Cloud's advanced AI and machine learning algorithms are now integrated into Shopify's platform. What does that mean for you? Imagine being able to predict which products are going to be trending next week, or knowing exactly when to restock your inventory before you even run low. It's data-driven decision-making at its finest. Think about it. Google Cloud offers enterprise-level analytics and tools to help you understand your customer base better than ever before. Whether you're tracking real-time traffic spikes or uncovering hidden trends in buyer behavior, you're not just running a store anymore. You're running a smart, data-informed business. And when it comes to online shopping, every second counts. Google Cloud's state-of-the-art infrastructure is helping Shopify stores run smoother, faster, and more efficiently. Faster load times mean happier customers and fewer abandoned carts. Imagine the boost in sales when your customers never have to wait for a page to load. The checkout experience is another critical part of the equation. With Google Cloud's security and reliability, Shopify merchants can offer their customers a flawless, secure, and fast checkout process. No more glitches, no more delays, just smooth, seamless transactions that keep your customers coming back. At the end of the day, this partnership is about one thing: empowering businesses. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur or an established brand, Shopify's tools, supercharged by Google Cloud's powerful infrastructure, are designed to help you succeed in today's competitive market. Want to keep your finger on the pulse of the latest e-commerce trends and tips? Be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video from ATOMIC ECOM. We'll keep you updated with everything you need to know to thrive in the world of Shopify and beyond. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep innovating and stay ahead of the curve.